Alright, today we are changing the oil pressure switch on a 99 Dodge Durango SLT V8 5.9 green in color V8 Magnum. The part is this is the part. It needs I think a 15mm or a 27 deep socket that I could not find in my local area everywhere. I went to auto parts, Advanced Auto, O'Reilly, Pep Boys, everywhere. They did not have the socket special tool that fits this. So what I did, and I didn't mean to do, is shouldn't affect anything, but don't try this at home. But I was trying to loosen it up. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is right there. Right there. I broke the top off. I broke the switch top off. Didn't mean to, but you know, it broke off. And so I got an extension. Got this right here. This is an Autocraft. It's a 1/16. And it's gonna fit over the top supposedly. Got that. Then I got an extension with a swivel. I'll throw that on there. And I'm gonna see if I can get something going. Be right back. Okay, so I took 2 extensions and a swivel. Put the ratchet on there. You know how to do counterclockwise. Turn it. Should be coming off. Okay. And that should be off. Should be. Hopefully. See that? Right there. Came off. Bam. Now all I gotta do is pop the new one in. And make sure you don't cross thread, because you don't want any metal getting in there. So hand screw it first, and then go about 1/4 on torquing, and you should be straight. And that's pretty much it. And that is a 99 Dodge Durango V8 Magnum 5.9 liter SLT. And I didn't see any YouTube videos about this, so I just decided to go ahead and make one. So y'all have a good day. Hope this helped. Bye.